Ultravation, excellence in indoor air quality since 2000. UV Photomax is a whole house air purifier that goes beyond the particulate capture of air filtration. UV Photomax actively removes odors, germs, and allergens from the air, creating better indoor air quality throughout your home. Why do we need to improve indoor air quality? Today's better constructed buildings and homes provide increased energy efficiency and comfort, but this also causes odors, airborne bacteria, viruses, and mold to accumulate. In addition, the air contamination is drawn into the HVAC system, which spreads it through every room in your home. According to the EPA, indoor air levels of many pollutants may be 2 to 5 times, and occasionally more than 100 times higher than outdoor levels. And high levels of indoor air pollution are a particular concern because most people spend as much as 90% of their time indoors. As concentrations of allergens and pathogens increase, the result is often more runny noses, coughs, allergic reactions, and even illnesses. UV Photomax, installed in HVAC air ducts, actively breaks down household odors while killing airborne bacteria, viruses, allergens, and microscopic mold. Here's how it works. The UV Photomax Advanced Oxidation Module is coated with an exclusive titanium dioxide formulation. When UV light is applied to the surface, the titanium dioxide coating becomes energized, causing it to release electrons. The electrons then combine with oxygen to create what are known as superoxides. The titanium dioxide then collects replacement electrons from moisture in the air to become charged particles known as hydroxyl radicals. Together with the superoxides, a powerful photocatalytic oxidation, or PCO field, is created. As odors, germs, mold, and other VOC organic molecules approach the PCO field, they are disassembled as the oxidizers pull electrons from them. The purification process is completed, with the remaining molecules recombining to form simple water vapor and trace amounts of carbon dioxide. Ultravation's advanced oxidation process is effective against everyday household odors from pets, cooking, trash, renovations, cleaning agents, even musty laundry and bathroom smells. UV Photomax has many exclusive features. UV Photomax Advanced Oxidation Air Purification is unmatched because it features an exclusive and patented dual-spectrum UVC germicidal system. This advanced purifier design creates an oxidation field that surrounds the PCO module that is adjustable using the patented photon clarifier, so that the UV Photomax is ready to clean the air in any home, up to 5,000 square feet. The oxidation module is self-cleaning and virtually maintenance-free, except for annual UV lamp changes. The UV lamp monitor assures top purification performance by reminding you when the UV lamp needs to be replaced. It will also inform you if a UV lamp goes out. Every UV Photomax Signature Series air purifier is backed by the Ultravation Lifetime Warranty, excluding the UV lamp. UV Photomax works with all air handler and furnace configurations. And for an even more complete IAQ system, pair the UV Photomax with an Easy Light 6P remote UV lamp to keep the HVAC cooling coil always clean of mold and other biogrowth. HVAC cooling coils that are consistently clean operate far more efficiently, saving significant energy. And those harsh, periodic HVAC chemical cleanings will no longer be needed. UV Photomax is a unique, whole-house odor reduction and air purification system that freshens the air by removing contamination that no filter can. UV Photomax for cleaner, safer air and a healthier indoor environment. To purchase, UV Photomax is sold through thousands of HVAC contractors worldwide. So call your favorite HVAC contractor today or visit ultravation.com to find a list of Ultravation authorized contractors near you.